when we face the promised land, going to occupy and possess, may we never forget the people who made us who we are, who got us to where we are. You may be powerfully anointed, you may be highly gifted, but I am pretty much sure you did not get yourself to where you are. Somebody prayed, somebody fasted, somebody gave, someone sacrificed, someone mentored you. But now when you talk to the people who receive your ministry, it's all about you. Come on. Yeah.